And I would like to show you how to replace a traction tire on an FEF3 or a GS4. This is going to be the same procedure. This one I've already replaced the one traction tire. Now we're going to go ahead and replace the missing one on this side of this FEF3. Take an X-acto blade, gently pry up on the driver with the traction tire or missing traction tire. If you need to remove the remaining traction tire or whatever's left, sometimes they're on there, sometimes they're not, sometimes they bind up underneath. Now next, grab a couple of toothpicks. I'm going to take and use them. Whoops, sometimes they don't always go on easy. We're just going to work that way around with two wooden toothpicks. Once we're done with that, rub it around, make sure it's all seated in the groove. Okay. Use a set of tweezers to line these back up. Hold on while as you can see, I just had a pin drop down on me. Never fear, I will get him later. I'll just grab another pin. If you don't have that luxury, you would have to go fish that pin out. Pull that in, press straight down, and voila, we have successfully replaced that traction tire. Then you would obviously go and test, so on and so forth, and go from there. Have a wonderful day.